Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your Toyota Yaris engine. First, prioritize safety by ensuring the engine is completely cool to the touch. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any accidental electrical shorts during the cleaning process. Remember to cover all sensitive electrical components, like the alternator and fuse box, with plastic bags or wrap to protect them from moisture. These initial steps are crucial for a safe and effective engine bay cleaning. Once safety precautions are in place, begin by removing any loose debris, such as leaves or dirt, from the engine bay. A shop vacuum or compressed air works well for this. Then, generously apply a specialized engine degreaser to all greasy and grimy areas. Make sure to follow the product's instructions regarding application. Let the degreaser penetrate the grime for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing it to break down stubborn oil and dirt effectively. After the degreaser has worked its magic, use a low-pressure water spray to thoroughly rinse it away. Be careful to avoid spraying directly onto covered electrical components. A gentle stream is all you need. For stubborn spots, use various brushes to agitate the grime. Finally, use clean microfiber cloths to wipe down surfaces and remove any remaining residue, leaving your engine looking much cleaner. Once rinsed, allow your engine to air dry completely. You can speed up this process with compressed air, ensuring all moisture is gone, especially from crevices. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. For a finishing touch, apply a non-silicone engine dressing to plastic and rubber components. This will protect them and give your engine bay a fresh, clean look. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.